Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change always allowed contacts in screen time on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Screen Time. Then in the screen time, scroll down again and click the Always Allowed. Then in the Always Allowed, click the Contacts under the Allowed Contacts. Then after that, in the Allowed Communication, you can select specific contacts for the allowed communication on the screen time. If you want to choose everyone, then click everyone until there's a check mark on the side. When everyone is enabled, during downtime, allow one-on-one and group conversations with anyone including unknown numbers. And if you want to enable specific contacts, then click also until there's a check mark on the side. When the specific contacts is enabled, during downtime, allow one-on-one and group conversations only with specific people in your contacts. And that's it. We have successfully changed always allowed contacts in screen time on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.